Hello everyone, we are group 4. Before we start, let me introduce my group member. I'm Jian and my friend with Jue Zhe, Jarvis and also Lucas. Today we will be presenting on our project, the Cafeteria Meal Pre-order system. This system is designed to help students pre-order meals and reduce the queue length during peak hours. So, the main objective of our system are to let students pre-order meals conventionally. Second is to reduce queue time and improve cafeteria efficiency. Thirdly is to provide admin with tools to manage order and menus. Lastly is to include analyzing and reporting features. Those improvements make the system more practical and closer to a real-life cafeteria management solution. Our system is designed into 4 major modules, which is customer module, admin module, processing analysis module, and report generation module. I will start with the customer module, and Jue Zhe will continue with the admin module after me. Okay, so as you can see, here's our system overview. Customer can browse the menu, add item to their cart, and place order. For admin can manage order, manage menu item, and generate reports. So here's our interface layout. The customer interface uses a sleek panel design, which is 70% left-hand side, show menu display, and the right-hand side is 30%. Is shopping cart area, shows selected item and receipts. This design allows users to browse the menu while managing their carts simultaneously. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the coding. So this part controls how the items are designed on the screen. It first clears the previous item, then filter by category and search keywords. Next, it creates a card for each menu item with name, price, status, and an add-on card button. The items are arranged in rows and columns so the UI looks clean and organized. Okay, so here's our add item from carts. This function lets the customer add item from the cart UI. It checks whether the quantity input is valid, then check if the item exists and is available. If everything is correct, it adds the item to the cart and refreshes the cart display. And here's the calculate totals. This function calculates the total price for the order. It loops through every item inside the cart, multiplies the price by the quantity, and adds the subtotal. Then, it applies the service charge and tax to get the final total. Finally, it updates the UI labels so the customer can see the updates amount. And here's the receipt codes. This function displays the receipt on the right-hand side of the screen. It recalculates all totals, clears the receipt box, and print the customer name, date, and every item in the cart. It also shows the subtotal, service charge, tax, and final total in available receipt format. And here's our press order card. This function handles placing an order. First, it checks if the cart is empty, then it verifies whether the items are still available in the menu. If something is unavailable, the system removes it and warns the user. If everything is valid, it calculates the total, creates an order record with timestamp and item list, and also saves it into order.json. After that, it cleans the cart and shows a success message. Okay, and now I'm going to do the demo sections. So let us change. Okay, so we are going to log in as a customer. Okay, so for customer, only need to enter their name to log in. No password requirement. For instance, like okay, let's log in. And as you can see, here's our interface. Yep. So basically, the function is we got in our menu page. We designed it using a cart-based layout, which makes it look modern and easy to browse. The items are separated into categories like food and drinks, and we also got the search. Customer can search any item from here. So category and search features help customer quickly find the desired item. Clicking a cart select the item from easy additions to carts. Yep. So now I'm going to add some order to add to cart to select an item. You can see the cart updates automatically. Yep. And show quantity, price, and also the subtotal. Once the customer is ready, they can click place order. The system calculates service tax, service charge tax, and final totals, and save everything into order.json. And also they can calculate and refresh the receipt, and it shows the customer info and date and the time, and also the item that added, and also the subtotal. And as you can see, here's the service tax here, everything here. And at the same time, when placing an order, the system will check if items are still available, generate include order ID, save complete order info to order.json, clears cards for next order. The saved data is immediately visual to administration. So The receipt calculates complete order information following Malaysia restaurant standards, which is 5% service charge and 6% tax based on the stock total. And I will demo it to press the order. Yeah, as you can see, the order is pressed successful. Okay, so now we log out, and then we can see the order will set inside the orders. Yeah, as you can see, here's the order that we priced just now. The item, the quantity, the price, everything is here. Everything will be saved here. Yeah. Okay, so that's all from me for the customer module. I will now pass to Jue Zhe to cover the admin sides of the system. Thank you.
Thanks Jian for the clear explanation. Hi everyone, I'm Jue Zhe, and I'll be now explaining the admin module. Admins have more control over the system, including order management, menu management, and password setting. When an admin log in, the first page they will see is the order management page. All orders are displayed clearly in a table for quick viewing. To make searching easier, we added filter options such as today, yesterday, this week, and all orders. When the admin select an order and click Show Selected Order button, the system shows the full detail. If an order is duplicated or incorrect, the admin can also delete it, and the orders.json file update immediately. Besides that, admin can also manage menu items. They can add new item, update prices or detail, and delete items that are no longer needed. This makes it easy for the cafeteria to maintain an up-to-date menu. Lastly, admin can change their password at any time. Passwords are stored using #256 hashing to ensure stronger security. Next, I'll explain the important program code behind these features. First of all is the admin window class structure. The admin window builds the main admin interface. This contains three main sections: order management, menu management, and system setting. This window only appears after the admin is successfully authenticated. Next is the admin login verification. Our admin login uses #256 hashing for security. During login, the system logs the stored hash from config.json and compare it with the hashes of the entered password. Next is the order management system. The system logs all orders from orders.json and support time-based filter, today, yesterday, this week, and all. Orders are shown from the newest to orders for easy viewing. Next is the order detail display. When an order is selected, this system displays the order ID, customer name, date and time, item list, and also total amount. This gives the staff a clear and complete overview of what the customer ordered. Next is order deletions function. To delete an order, the system removes the selected entry from order.json and refresh the table. This keeps the order recorded clean and accurate. Next is menu management system. The menu management system allows admin to view all menu items and add, update, or delete item. Any change is instantly reflected on the customer interface. Lastly is the admin setting for the password change. Password must be at least 4 characters. When changed, the new password is immediately hashed with #256 and only the hashes is saved into config.json for safety. Next, I will now log in as an admin to show the features work, and this is the demo part. So we key in the username and the password for the admin, and we can log in into the admin panel. And this is the order list. Admin can view all orders pasted through the system. We also added filters such as today, yesterday, this week, and all. For example, this is yesterday order. Next, by selecting an order and show selected order, the admin can view the order detail including item and total amount. If an order is duplicated, the admin can also delete the order. The order is now deleted. Next this is the menu management. Admin can add a new item by entering name, price, and category. For example, I'll add Milo Ice into our menu. And I put as 3 ringgit in the category of drink. And now Milo Ice is added here. And next, if we want to change the price, for example, we try to change the chicken chop price from 20 ringgit to 25 ringgit. So we just click update. And now the chicken chop price is come to 25 ringgit. Next, if we want to show the food available, we can just click available. And the food will show available in the menu. And lastly, this is the password setting. Admin can change their password here. So that's all from me for the admin module. Next, Jarvis will explain how our analytic module works. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jarvis, responsible for the intelligent data processing engine at the heart of our restaurant system. Okay. Imagine you own a restaurant. Every day you collect receipt. You want to know how much money did I make, what items are selling best, who are my regular customers, and when are my busy hours. Okay. Our order processor class is your super accountant robot. It has 8 superpowers, which are sales summary like a calculator, top items like a competition judge, customer analysis like a VIP crowd manager, hourly analysis like a traffic monitor, revenue trend like a stock market chart, category analysis like a department store. Okay. This is one of the technology that we use in our system, which is time intelligence. We use this technology to compare this week sales to last week, see which holidays were most profitable, track monthly growth patterns, and analyze seasonal trends. Let's look at the right hand side. This is the original code specifically for this technology. The second technology that we use is the smart counting. We use this technology to help owner identify best seller, so the order normal guessing. Revenue per item is calculated automatically, so you know not just what sells, but what's profitable. Waste is reduced because you stock more of what sells, less of what doesn't. Same thing, the right hand side is the code specifically for this technology. Okay. The third technology that we use is the business logic, specifically for the VIP detective. This technology helps owner identify VIP automatically, so no more guessing who to thank. You can create loyalty program, so you can reward those who support you most, and you also can improve customer relationship because you can personalize service for your best customers. Same thing, the right hand side show the code specifically for this technology. Okay. Let's look at here. This is our professional design. We write this part of code, which is tagged in to tell us exactly what goes in and what comes out. This is professional software engineering. And please look at here, annual handling. We write this code to make sure that if found amazing or corrupted, our system doesn't crash. It returns an empty list and continues. Okay, let's move to the demonstration. This is our original code. So let's run this program. As you can see, in second, we know that the average customer spend is 169 ringgit. Middle rank is the most profitable. We have 3 VIP customers, and the food and the drinks is 6% of the revenue. So in second, we gain comprehensive understanding of sales performance, customer value, and product profitability. Last but not least, this technology delivers tangible business value to make data-driven decisions. So on a normal guessing, save hours every week because of the automatic calculation, and gain competitive advantage because the owner know their business better than their competitors. Okay. This process inside now flows seamlessly into Lucas' reporting module for comprehensive business presentation. Lucas will now demonstrate how this insight transforms into professional business reports. So again, thank you for listening. That's all from me.
Thanks, Jarvis. Hello everyone, I'm Lucas, and I will be presenting the reporting module of our Cafeteria Meal Pre order system. This module takes all the analytics generated early and transform them into complete structured report that help the cafeteria understand their performance. So our system support 4 types of report, such as daily report, weekly report, monthly report, and custom date range report. Admin simply select the date and choose the report type they want. This gives them flexibility to analyze performance over any period. To make the report reusable, we add export functions. Admin can export report in text format and JSON format. Text format is easy for printing and reading. JSON format is suitable for data backup or integration. This ensures that the cafeteria can store or analyze their data outside the system as well. This is the report window inside our system. Once the admin selects a data and report type, the system generates a full set of results including total sales, number of orders, top selling items, category breakdown, and revenue summaries. All of this information is automatically retrieved from the analytics module. Our system includes several original and creative features that make it more complete. A clean-cut based interface, a comprehensive analytics module, a fully automated reporting system, and modern layout and UI organization. These features help our system stand out by being both functional and practical. This is our system architecture. Now, let me show you guys how to use our system. First, type our name. I type Wong. So I want to eat chicken chop. So chicken chop add to chop. Drink, I want to drink cola. So that's all. Calculate and refresh receipt. Export receipt. So this receipt was saved in our cafeteria pre receipt. Save. Okay, press auto. So we can show that the receipt, chicken chop, code, and the total price. So we also can see the test daily report. So we can see that the daily report total sales is 2042.53. Total order have add. Average order value is 13.32. The top selling item is chicken chop. Second one is cola. Third one is fried rice and other else. The chicken chop is sells 7. Okay. So conclusion. Thank you for watching our presentation. we have demonstrated each modules of the Cafeteria Meal Pre Order system along with our explanation. This concludes our presentation. That's all for me. Thank you.